all the way.
Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. If you caught the title of this video, you know it's not something that I normally would be talking to you about, but I wanted to introduce you guys to these new amazing glasses that I have. Can you see them there? I mean, they're pretty cool. So, I like them. They're pretty awesome. So anyway, I got these glasses from a company called Firmoo. Let me show you something here. It's Firmoo. You see that? So they are an online glasses provider. You can actually make yourself an account and order prescription or non-prescription glasses or sunglasses even. And they have some great deals. Nothing on their site is over $39. They also have great deals for free shipping. And right now for new customers, they have this amazing deal for $4.95 for a pair of glasses. I believe they also have a promo going on for buy one get one free as well. They actually reached out to me and said, hey, check out our service, check out our product, and let us know what you think. So I went online, I checked them out, and picked out these amazing pair of frames, sent them my prescription, and within about 9 days, I got these awesome pair of glasses. Now let me tell you, they are super cute, and I very rarely actually wear my glasses. I normally wear contacts, but I always like to have a backup pair of glasses because you never know, allergies. Sometimes I'm just lazy, I don't want to put my contacts in, and sometimes my eyes are dry, but it's always good. Anybody who wears glasses knows it's always good to have a pair, regardless if you wear them every day or not. And right now I think I just keep seeing people who don't need glasses wearing glasses because it's like trendy or something, so that's a possibility as well. So I received this pair. Super cute. Can you see the little edges there? The little earpieces? They're so cute. Very lightweight. The lenses, the prescription is spot on. It's amazing. And this pair was $25, guys. With the lenses, it has a 3-month warranty, and then there's like a 30-day guarantee on them. So if you don't like them, if they didn't get your prescription right or something, you send them back. You don't even have to pay shipping. You send them back, they fix it, and they send you a new pair. If you don't like the pair that you picked out, send it back, pick out another pair, and they send it to you. They're so great to work with. They're super responsive. Sorry. They are super responsive to emails or phone calls. I've had absolutely no problem with them. They send you tracking information. You can log onto their site and see, you know, kind of where the process is. Your order is processed, they're making your lenses, they're fitting your glasses, they're shipping your glasses. So fast, so convenient. I normally pay about $200 for my pair of glasses. These are $25. Guys, $25. I'm definitely going to be ordering more pairs. So, their web address, I will go ahead and put that in the description below with a link straight to their site. I'm not getting paid anything for this. I mean, I was lucky enough to get an awesome pair of free glasses because they are great. And I've been wearing them. I've had them for about a week now, and I've been wearing them, and they're super cute. I call them my little Harry Potter glasses because they're round, kind of like Harry Potter. But whatever. I think they're super cute. I've gotten lots of compliments on them. And they have a style for everyone. They have literally hundreds of styles. Their site is super easy to navigate. You can upload your photo and like digitally try on glasses so you know what they're going to look like on you before you even get them. So I highly recommend you guys just go check them out if you're in need, or if maybe your kid's in need, you know somebody who needs glasses that maybe can't afford to get them as often as they should. These guys are great, and I would not send you to someone who isn't great. So check them out if you're interested. I'm happy to put the link in. I'll put the link in the description. If you like them, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think if you've had an interaction with them in the past. totally let me know how it goes, because I have seen nothing but good reviews on this company and I'm totally impressed. And I'm not going to say it takes a lot to impress me, but I have ordered from other online eyeglass places to get prescription glasses, and it was not this easy, and the product is not of this quality. I will let you know that. There's another big name online glasses provider out there that I've ordered from twice, and both times I was highly disappointed, but they were affordable and they worked in a pinch, so I didn't know I had other options. But now that I know that I do, I'm going to share them with you. So if you need anything, definitely check them out. It doesn't hurt. And like I said, I'm not being paid for this video. Nobody is sending me anything. I don't have an affiliate code, anything like that. But definitely check them out and see what's going on. And let me know if you guys want me to check out any other sites. If you know of anything else like this, I'd be happy to check it out, because I mean, I'm always interested. And something this affordable, like, it's great. It's great, and it's awesome to have somebody tell you that's, you know, already sacrificed and tried it. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and I will be back next week with more makeup videos. I have some great new things to review for you. I just have kind of been slacking lately with the holidays and everything on getting those new videos filmed and edited, and it's a process, y'all. It is a process to put these videos up for you, and I'm happy to do it, especially now. I mean, let's go strong with this year and see what it brings for us. But thank you for being here with me today. If you liked the video, you know, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. It's okay. Just let me know you're here. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this company. Until next time, bye.